want it and how to go get it without being caught. Yes, that. Yes, that. Yes, that.